Hey guys, we're going to do a Crack Me. This is Crack Me 18 from crackinglessons.com. We're going to be going over the crackme18.exe. I'm going to open up Detected Easy and see what it says. So Detected Easy says it's written in C#, using the .NET framework, Visual Studio. If we click on entropy, we'll see it's not packed, which is good. And so what we're going to do is open this up in dnSpy, which is a tool that comes with the Flare VM, or you can download it online. I'm going to open up dnSpy x86 since this is a 32-bit application. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. That's not what we need. File, open. I'm going to go to crackme18. And if we expand here and we go into the crackme18 and we go to program and we go to main, or actually form 1, this is the main part of the program. So we see some code here where it says correct serial key. Let's go ahead and run this and see what it actually says. So we get a win form here with a name and a serial key. Let's type in a name and then a serial key, 1, 2, 3. Wrong serial key. Okay. So that's okay. What we can do is we have our product ID, but we don't know the serial key. So let's figure out the serial key. Under the correct serial key, we probably want to place a breakpoint right before here to see what it's actually doing. So let's right click and add a breakpoint here, and then let's stop and then start, or you could just restart. Okay, let's enter some text here again. 1, 2, 3, and press check. It hits our breakpoint here, and if we view what's stored in these variables in memory, we have in text HELL, which is the first 4 characters. And as we can see from here, it's getting a substring of our name, the first 4 characters, which would be HELL. And what this is doing is that in C# you can add text together like this. You can concatenate strings like this. So text 6 is going to be text 3 plus our text plus text 4 plus text 5. So to solve this, if you want to find the actual serial key, which is dependent upon the name you put in, then we can say text 3. So let's actually copy this. I don't think I copied that right. Yeah, okay. That's not helpful. But anyways, so it'll be x38, x398, and then it's going to be plus text, which is HELL, and then plus text 4, which is 33CE, and plus text 5, which is A639. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that in our program. First of all, let's continue this. It'll say wrong serial key. Same name. We'll plug in the serial key, check it, and it's continue this. And it says correct serial key. Cool. That's one way of solving it. Another way, let's remove this breakpoint. Another way is to patch this, right? So that it'll always go to the correct serial key. And to do that, so what we can do is we can say edit method. Right click, edit method, and then in here we're going to put if true. And then we're going to press compile. And so now we can see that it's always going to go to the correct serial key. If we put the if true, it's always going to go to correct serial key. So we can go ahead and press File, Save All, and then press OK. And now if we run this and press OK, if we enter anything and check it, it'll say correct serial key. So that's a way of patching this. So yeah, there you go.